Ground tonight, what is the first meaningful action you will take as a king? In Tagalog, kung ikaw ay kumurunahan ngayong gabi, ano ang unang makabuluhang hakbang na gagawin mo bilang hari?
Kung ako man po ang kukunahan bilang bagong King of the World Philippines
Power bank.
Ang unang-una ang gagawin
Kulang.
ay bibigyan ko ng inspirational message ng mga kabataan sa aming lalawigan. Dahil ako, kasi yung tao na gusto ko mag-iwan ng legacy sa aming munisipyo. Gusto ko ang tao sa aming munisipyo ay magkaroon ng magandang future. Kaya ako ay manghihikayat ng mga kabataan na gustong palawakin ang kanilang kaalaman sa industriyang ito. Maraming salamat.
Thank you as well. Our candidate from Malolos City, Bulacan, Darren Salino. Now let us move to our next king from Laguna Province, EJ Aligaran.
Tama na. Sa inyo na yan.
Okay, here's your question. When people look up to you, what responsibility comes with that and how do you handle it? In Tagalog, kapag ikaw ay tinitingala ng mga tao, anong responsibilidad ang kaakibat nito at paano mo ito hinaharap?
Thank you so much and good evening, world. As I have shared earlier, I was raised by a single mother. My father died when I was 10 years old, and from then on, my mother raised 5 wonderful children for 16 years, and I had the greatest responsibility of being a provider and a kuya to my siblings. And from then on, I was their role model, and I can proudly share that with the hard work, discipline, respect with one another, I was able to raise my brothers and sisters. We were working students. I was a working student, and I was able to finish my degree with honor. And I am dedicating this crown to my nanay, who is very supportive of us. For everyone who's watching tonight, thank you. And I would like to share, I would like to ask to everyone that that I would like to ask everyone that you are an inspiration to others. I am an inspiration to my brothers and sisters. They are now graduating students, and I am proud to say that I did a great job as a kuya to my brothers and sisters. Thank you, everyone.
From Paranaque City, Nate Pepito.
Come on up, Paranaque City, and kudos to our audiences for suppressing their tears while everyone is answering. Go with your question. We are ready. Here's your microphone. Good luck.
Very emotional ako, sorry. Naiyak ako.
Okay, your question is,
Repeat loud namin.
kings often face challenges that test their character. How do you handle situations that challenge your integrity? Sa Tagalog, ang mga hari ay may talas na humaharap sa mga pagsubok na sumusubok sa kanilang pagkatao. Paano mo hinaharap ang mga sitwasyong sumusubok sa iyong integridad?
Good evening, everyone. As you may know, in the start of this competition, I struggle with all of the aspects of this competition, especially my wardrobes and everything that makes me prepare for this competition. But that doesn't stop me. Even though I have struggled, I make sure that I will step my best foot forward And I will not make sure that everything will be hinder me. Even though I'll make sure that I will make myself proud and I'll make myself even better than the version that I was yesterday. Because I believe that everyone is the best version of themselves. And for me, never hesitate to be the best version of yourself. Don't be hesitate to be more focused on your goals, because that is the goal that you will make sure that you will reach on the finish line. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kevin Pepito from Paranaque City. Now we move to our candidate from Tacloban and Quezon, John Alwin Mendoza.
Welcome back on stage, Tacloban, Quezon. We hope you shook out the nerves. So pick your question.
Best version of yourself. Ay, may ingay, jowa ko yan. Ingay pala yan. Mukha niya pala sister.
This is your question. The Bayanihan spirit reflects unity among Filipinos. How would you incorporate this value into your reign as King of the World, Philippines? Ang diwa ng bayanihan ay sumasalamin sa pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino. Paano mo ito isasama sa iyong panunungkulan bilang King of the World, Philippines?
Maraming salamat sa inyong katanungan. Tayo mga Pilipino ay kilala bilang autonomy at pagkakaisa. Bilang isang king, ako ang magiging isang inspirasyon sa lahat upang tayo ay magsama-sama at tuparin ang mga iba't ibang misyon at maging
Ang mission ni Herlin Budol.
at muling magsama-sama at bilang isang
Nalala ko tuloy yung question kay Herlin Budol nung binibigay.
tayo mga Pilipino
Na inulit niya ng
ay
Miss Grand
kilala
sa-
bilang autonomy at pagkakaisa.
Queen with a mission, amen.
Kabahan ako.
May tayo permission. Kaya mo yan. Tama na magganap. Ay. Fairness ang abot ng Nice.
Thank you. Tayo mga Pilipino ay kilala bilang matulungin at pagkakaisa. Bilang isang king,
Yung Quezon
ako
province
ang
man
magiging
hapa.
inspirasyon sa lahat.
Si Quezon Dino.
Ito ay maging magpatuloy pa rin at hindi mawala sa ating dugo bilang isang Pinoy. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, John Alwin Mendoza from Tacloban,
Tumbler
Quezon.
yung din na lang, mga
Now let's call on the next king from Tuguegarao City, John and Dave Macias.
Kami na yan. Wala na kapatos yan.
Welcome to Mindanao City. Pick your question.
Kami nga. Go baby!
This is your question. Kings inspire others through their actions. Who inspires you? And how do they influence your vision as a leader? Ang mga hari ay nagbibigay inspirasyon sa iba sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga kilos. Sino ang nagbibigay inspirasyon sa iyo? At paano nito hinuhubog ang iyong pananaw bilang isang leader?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong tanong. Ang ginagawa ko pong inspirasyon ay ang aking ama. Dahil ang aking ama ay siya yung tumayong higit ng tahanan. Siya ang nagturo sa akin kung ano ang mga dapat gawin. At tinuruan niya ako na kahit anong mangyari, huwag kang susuko sa laban ng buhay. Patuloy kang bumangon kahit ilang beses kang nadapa. Patuloy kang bumangon kasi may pangarap ka. May gusto kang maabot sa iyong buhay. Lagi niyong tatandaan, sa gitna ng unos ay may magandang kinabukasan. Sabi nga nila, the higher the risk, the higher the price. Paano mo malalaman ng isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan? Huwag kang matakot dahil ito'y para rin naman sa'yo. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Kuya Garao.